Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying two prerequisites. Carrier voicemail must be active, and your Samsung needs network access. Once done, make sure you know the voicemail number and default PIN because you will need them to reset greetings and PINs. Next, open the phone app and long press 1 to call voicemail. This triggers carrier menus. If prompted, enter the PIN to access settings. You do this first to reach the carrier system that actually stores your messages. You now change Samsung settings to match the carrier. Go to Phone app, tap More, then Settings and Voicemail. Select Visual Voicemail when available because it provides transcripts and message lists. If auto-detected voicemail number is wrong, manually enter the carrier voicemail number to ensure calls route correctly. Then configure notifications, greeting, and ring delay. Test by leaving yourself a message. These steps fix most app-level issues, since the phone must point at the carrier. Finish by clearing the phone app cache and data to remove corrupted settings. This forces a fresh connection. Next, check for carrier settings or system updates and reboot the phone to apply changes, because many voicemail errors resolve after a restart. Finally, test by calling your voicemail and verifying visual messages. If problems persist, contact your carrier to reset the mailbox or PIN on their end. This is the key troubleshooting tip, since the mailbox lives with the carrier, not just on your Samsung.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.